Dr. Maria Montessori, the pioneer of the Montessori method, discovered something extraordinary about young children, a unique way their minds work in the earliest years of life. She called this phenomenon the absorbent mind. The absorbent mind refers to the incredible capacity of children from birth to around age 6 to unconsciously absorb information from their environment. Dr. Montessori observed that during this time, children are like sponges, effortlessly taking in sounds, language, movement, and even cultural norms. Unlike adults, who must consciously work to learn something new, young children naturally absorb knowledge simply by living and interacting with the world around them. This is why the first 6 years of life are so critical for development. Dr. Montessori divided the absorbent mind into 2 phases. From birth to around 3 years old, the unconscious absorbent mind is at work. During this phase, children learn fundamental skills like walking, speaking, and forming their first impressions of the world. From 3 to 6 years old, the conscious absorbent mind begins to emerge. Children now consciously refine their skills and build on their earlier experiences, showing heightened focus and an eagerness to master their environment. Dr. Montessori believed that during this sensitive period, children's minds are primed for absorbing language, movement, order, and social skills. Montessori environments are intentionally prepared to nurture the absorbent mind. They are filled with hands-on materials, opportunities for independence, and experiences that allow children to explore at their own pace. Dr. Montessori emphasized that the absorbent mind is not only a time for academic growth, but also for the formation of character. The experiences children have now lay the foundation for their lifelong habits, attitudes, and understanding of the world. The absorbent mind is a gift, a remarkable window of opportunity. Through the Montessori method, we honor this time, helping children build a solid foundation for the rest of their lives. Dr. Maria Montessori's vision lives on, empowering children to learn, grow, and thrive. The absorbent mind is their gift to the world.